Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef jerky using an easy method. First, choose a lean cut of beef such as top round or flank steak. It's crucial to trim away all visible fat, as fat can cause your jerky to spoil quickly and affect its texture. Next, slice the beef against the grain into uniform strips, ideally about 1/8 inch thick. This ensures even drying and a tender chew. Now let's create a delicious marinade. In a bowl, combine soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, and your preferred spices like garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper. For that authentic jerky taste, consider adding a small amount of liquid smoke. Submerge your beef strips completely in this flavorful mixture. Allow them to marinate in the refrigerator for a minimum of 6 hours, or even better, overnight, to fully absorb the flavors. Once marinated, it's time to dry your jerky. Preheat your oven to its lowest setting, typically around 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Line your oven racks with foil to catch any drips, then place the marinated beef strips directly onto wire racks, ensuring they don't overlap. This allows for proper air circulation. Dry the jerky for 3 to 6 hours, flipping the pieces occasionally until they are firm, dry, and pliable, but not brittle. After your jerky is perfectly dried, let it cool completely to room temperature before storing. This prevents condensation and keeps it fresh. Transfer the cooled jerky into an airtight container or a resealable bag. It will stay fresh at room temperature for up to 2 weeks, or you can refrigerate it for an even longer shelf life. For easy meal prep and storage, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade beef jerky.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.